Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on the YouTube channel. I'm in the Niagara region again today. I am filming DeCew Falls and the Morningstar Mill. This first shot you see is a drone footage of DeCew Falls. The falls received their name after John DeCew. The DeCew family purchased this land in 1788. He later purchased the land all the way to the escarpment in 1812. This location has a blacksmith's workshop, the mill, a carpenter's workshop, and the Morningstar house. This house that you can see in the shot was built in 1895 by two carpenters who lived in Thorold. Wilson Morningstar, his wife and family occupied the house for their whole lives. His oldest daughter and family lived in the house until 1991. This site is designated as a Rural Industrial Heritage Site and is owned by the City of St. Catharines. Today it is operated by a partnership with the Friends of Morningstar Mill. The mill was rebuilt in 1872 and still works to this day. So this mill has all the original equipment and runs the same way it did in 1871. Enjoy a couple of these cinematic shots of DeCew Falls. Thanks for watching.